How do you get a better sounding room with acoustic treatment? Well, during this lockdown period, I've recorded a few videos in here, and to get a great sound has been slightly challenging. With reflective surfaces, an odd furniture layout, it really has proved quite challenging to get that great sound. So, how do I improve it? Well, I'm going to test out the Studiospares acoustic treatment kit in the hope that I can do some better recordings in this space. Now, we know that there are more scientific ways to acoustically treat a room, and if budget and space allows for that, then absolutely you should go and do that. However, a lot of us don't have access to those kind of budgets and are often using a space at home, such as a spare room, a converted garage, or even a cupboard underneath the stairs. And what we're demonstrating today is how the Studiospares acoustic treatment kits can actually help treat those spaces to give you a much better sound. The installation of the panels is very straightforward. Each panel comes with these two triangular mounting plates, and you simply fix these to the wall and then mount your panel to them by dropping them on just like so. You can see from the diagram and the time-lapse how I set up my room. The kits are available in several different colours and have been put together to accommodate different room sizes. The panels are available separately should you wish to purchase additional ones. Now, I'm going to do a couple of mic tests. I'm going to do a before and after test, and I'm using an Audio-Technica AT2020. Okay, so this is microphone test number 1 without any acoustic treatment, about 6 to 9 inches from the microphone. Leaves are falling all around, it's time I was on my way. Thanks to you, I'm much obliged for such a pleasant stay. Okay, so we're about 18 inches now from the microphone. Leaves are falling all around, it's time I was on my way. Thanks to you, I'm much obliged for such a pleasant stay. And now we're about 3 foot from the microphone. Leaves are falling all around, it's time I was on my way. Thanks to you, I'm much obliged for such a pleasant stay. Okay, so we're back. We've put our panels up, and I can tell you now that the sound is noticeably different. Certainly from a listening perspective, it really has made the room sound a lot flatter. So the proof will be obviously in the recordings. So let's get in and do our second recordings after treatment. So approximately 30 centimeters from the microphone. Leaves are falling all around, it's time I was on my way. Thanks to you, I'm much obliged for such a pleasant stay. Okay, about 12 to 18 inches away from the microphone. Leaves are falling all around, it's time I was on my way. Thanks to you, I'm much obliged for such a pleasant stay. And then finally, about 2 to 2.5 feet from the microphone. Leaves are falling all around, it's time I was on my way. Thanks to you, I'm much obliged for such a pleasant stay. So there you have it, before and after. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Now, we've made the recordings available to you to download so you can have a listen in your own environment. We used an Audio-Technica AT2020 microphone, recording straight into Logic via a Focusrite Claret audio interface. The mic that I'm using with the camera is a Rode Lavalier going into their Wireless Go system, and that's recording directly into my Lumix G80 camera. To find out more, head on over to our website or follow the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found it useful, and we look forward to seeing you next time.